Insight Terminal Solutions is an Oakland, California-based company comprised of the foremost experienced professionals in maritime transportation and operations, as well as trade and logistics. The forthcoming new multiple commodities bulk terminal will be located only 8 miles from the Golden Gate Bridge and the Pacific Ocean.
Port, rail, distribution, deconsolidation, customs, fuel, truck repair, and maintenance. These are functions that are typically spread throughout a region. Imagine if these functions could be brought together in one place, reducing distances of supply chain activities to create efficiencies, lower costs, and lower emissions, and enhance service. This is what we call a logistics cluster. Across the globe, there are clusters of international trade called logistics clusters. These are trade clusters that attract a variety of businesses and a wide range of good-paying jobs. In Singapore, Dubai, Rotterdam, Memphis, Louisville, and Chicago, they all share common characteristics: an existing port with proximity to rail, a labor pool, established suppliers, and a government or community with an understanding of the port's value. Oakland shares those same characteristics with a unique advantage. Its former base is over 300 acres of underutilized land adjacent to the port that has the potential to be a logistics cluster. Why a logistics cluster? To answer that, we need to look at our history. When the Congress decommissioned the former base nearly 15 years ago, our community was impacted. We lost over 10,000 jobs. But somewhere in this bad news was future opportunity. But the opportunity came with a challenging question: what's the best use for the former base? Many ideas were pursued: a casino, an auto mall, a big box retail center with movie theaters, a movie studio and related theme park. All interesting ideas, but none of them addressed the aging infrastructure, the entitlement process, or made sense in an intensely industrial setting adjacent to a working port. The Oakland Global Plan is designed to turn the former base into a modern trade and logistics cluster with a groundbreaking community jobs component. Trade and logistics has evolved over the past several decades. Our cluster will focus on intermodal facilities, which place cargo and bulk items directly onto ships, trains, or trucks. Providing warehouse facilities which increase the speed with which goods are moved, packaged, and repackaged. Providing on-site deconsolidation facilities which will dramatically reduce truck trips. For every 150,000 square feet of deconsolidation facilities we build, we take 14,000 trucks off the road each year. MIT professor Yoshi Sheffi was recently in Oakland and said, "For logistics clusters, bigger is better." That's why it makes sense to build upon Oakland's existing working waterfront and port to achieve economies of scale, grouped functions in one place, reducing multiple trips and steps, opportunities to share costs like labor, equipment, and space. Oakland has a great labor force. As this project comes online, a full array of jobs will be available. These jobs will not be offshoreable. They will create promotion opportunities from within, and logistics services feed multiple industries, making local and regional jobs less vulnerable to specific industry downturns. The average beginning salary for a logistics cluster job is almost $47,000 a year. The efficiencies created by Oakland Global as master planned will provide significant environmental benefits through reduced roadway congestion due to fewer truck trips to remote distribution centers. Further emissions reductions will be realized because freight will increasingly shift from trucks to rail cars, which are greener. 1 gallon of diesel will move a train 470 miles, which is the equivalent of taking 280 trucks off the road.
The ITS facility will accommodate a variety of bulk commodities, including agricultural grains, soda ash, iron ore, borax, sodium sulfate, and coal. Over 6 million metric tons of bulk agricultural and mineral commodities will make their way through the ITS terminal and into the world market. Our process is environmentally friendly and efficient from beginning to end. Our enclosed and encapsulated design prevents escape of product and eliminates dust emissions. Beginning at the point of origin, the rail cars will be equipped with secure, state-of-the-art covers. This added security provided by the covered rail cars increases the protection of both the physical product and your investment. Even the most granular of bulk products will get transported more efficiently and cost-effectively along one of the two available railways, Union Pacific and Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railways. Commodities arrive at the ITS terminal via Oakland Global Rail Enterprise. At the ITS facility, switchers push the rail cars into an enclosed unloading station, where the bulk contents are released from the bottom of the rail cars into underground chutes approximately 25 feet below ground. Unlike many current systems, which are slow, inefficient, create dusty environments, and carry an increased potential for product loss, the ITS system is fast and well contained. Advanced dust control systems will remove particulates from the air. The ITS transporting and unloading process incorporates ongoing air quality monitoring, evaluation, and management that meets and/or exceeds the current stringent standards within the California Bay Area. The bulk product passes through unloading chutes and lands on conveyor belts, which will move the bulk material through the ITS terminal facility towards its storage area. All commodities are moved through completely enclosed and encapsulated structures, embedded with dust control and collection systems. Commodities make their way to temporary storage in cutting-edge, environmentally safe dome technologies bulk storage. As various commodities are prepared for departure from ITS to various worldwide destinations, an enclosed conveyor system moves the products to where it will be loaded onto dry bulk cargo vessels. The ITS system is designed to preserve separation between dark and white commodities. This ensures that all commodities making their way through the ITS operations preserves the bulk product's integrity and maintains a high quality standard for the bulk materials. Continuing the environmentally friendly process and protection of the product, the bulk commodities are loaded onto ships using equipment which will minimize exposure to air and water. The ITS operation accommodates dry bulk cargo vessels from the 30,000-ton Handymax to the 130,000-ton Capesize, with ITS providing cleaner, friendlier, and safer solutions for the bulk commodities shipping industry. Oakland, California will continue to move forward responsibly into the global economy. ITS Innovation, a terminal to feed, clean, and power the world.